Okay, so hello everyone. Students, now we are going to begin with the communication part. How electromagnetic waves are used for communication purpose. Students, I am going to explain this basically the block diagram of communication system with the help of this block diagram. But what is mean by information source? What is transmitter, channel, receiver? So students, here in my next PPT, I am giving you all the notes. Third PPT is about the information source. Then fourth PPT is about the transmitter. Then the fifth PPT is about the channel. Sixth PPT is about the receiver, and seventh PPT is about the noise. Students, all these notes you note it down. So let's study the basic block diagram of communication system. Students, this is the block diagram of communication system. Now in this communication systems, if you carefully see here, the dotted lines are also given. In this dotted line, see what you observe, that is transmitter, channel and receiver. Student, this transmitter, channel and receiver, it is known as transmission system. It is also known as communication system. Now let's start from the first block. Okay, so student, the first block we should have a information source block. Okay, the first block is about the information source block. Suppose for example, if I am the information source and I want to talk to you, I want to give the information to you. For this purpose, what I required? I required a microphone. Now why I need a microphone? Because students, because here my voice, I need a microphone. Okay, so my voice microphone makes this, my voice microphone, this makes what? This makes the information system. मेरी आवाज़ माइक्रोफोन ये क्या बना रहे? They are going to form the information system. So from microphone we receive the electrical signal. Okay, so that's why we have given a name, and this name of the signal is nothing but the message signal. Students, see what I tell again, I repeat. Suppose for example, if I am the information source for you, I want to talk to you. For this reason, for this purpose, I need a microphone. Okay, so my voice microphone, what is this? It is nothing but the information system. Okay, so from microphone we receive the electrical signal, because microphone converts my voice into electrical signal. Okay, so for that reason we given that name, we given the name of the signal as a message signal. So student, if you carefully see in the block diagram, after the information source there is what? There is a message signal. Okay, there is a message signal. So students, information source, so can I say that information source is a combination which gives you the information. Information source क्या है? Information source is nothing but the it is one of the combination, and this combination it gives you the information. अब यहाँ पे एक और सवाल आता है, ये कौन सा कॉम्बिनेशन है? सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम द पर्सन हु इज गोइंग टू परफॉर्म प्लस instruments used by me. In this case, for we discuss about the microphone. In this case, I am using what? Microphone. So microphone is the instrument, and so many other systems in that. Okay, so students, this is known as information source. Information source is what? It is a combination of the person who is performing plus the instrument used by the person. Here we talk about the microphone. Okay, so message signal. Now see in this diagram, if you carefully see where the message signal will go. Message signal will go to the communication system. Message signal will transfer to the communication system. Now in this, when message signal goes in the communication system, it meets with the transmitter first. Okay, जब मैसेज सिग्नल हमारा कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम में इस डायग्राम के अकॉर्डिंगली जा रहा है, so this message signal first meet with the transmitter. Now first of all let's talk about this transmitter. Transmitter के बारे में हम बात करेंगे. So what is this transmitter? So student, again come to our same example, that is microphone. So in microphone, my sound is converted into electrical signal. Okay. So microphone converts my sound into electrical signal, and such a machine is known as transducer. Now what do you mean by transducer? In my next video, I am going to explain in it detail. Okay. So microphone is a transducer for me because microphone convert my sound into electrical signal. Okay. So in this signal, suppose for example, if these signals are put on a conductor, ये जो भी सिग्नल्स मेरे पास आ रहे हैं, ये सारे सिग्नल्स अगर मैंने कंडक्टर लाइन पे पुट अप कर दिए, एंड आई सेंड दैट कंडक्टर लाइन टू 500 किलोमीटर, and at 500 kilometer distance I put a speaker there. So students, at 500 kilometer distance sound will not come. Why? Again here the question arises, sir, we put the sound on the conductor and we elongate or we move that conductor 500 kilometer distance and we put the speaker there, but again still the sound will not come. Why? Because student, there is a resistance in the path and the sound will die away. So what we need here? Here we need a certain modification in my sound. See, initially we use microphone. Microphone converts my sound into electrical signal. But when I want to transfer that sound to a very long distance, and if I put it on a conductor, it is not possible that it can travel up to 500 kilometer distance. It will die out on its own way. Okay. So here we need modification. Which modification we require? So students, listen carefully. A system which convert my voice into electrical signal. It is done by microphone, but it also gives the strength to it. Again I repeat, a system which convert my voice into electrical signal and gives the strength to it so that the electrical signal can travel to a very long distance. Okay, so that the electrical signal can travel to a very long distance. इसका मतलब हमें अभी यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए? What we require? My sound is converted into electrical signal by microphone, but we also require the strength to that sound. Okay, so student, this mechanism which gives the strength to electrical signal, it is known as transmitter. And in this diagram, transmitter is indicated. Transmitter is the second block. मतलब आपका साउंड जो माइक्रोफोन ने इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल में कन्वर्ट किया है, उसको स्ट्रेंथ कौन देगा? स्ट्रेंथ इज गिवन बाय द transmitter. Now on one end of the transmitter, on left hand side of the transmitter, it receives what? Message signal. It receives the message signal, and this message signal is sent by the microphone or any other thing. Okay, now students, again now the transmitter makes this signal very strong. अभी ये ट्रांसमीटर उसको बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाएगा. क्यों? बिकॉज वी वांट टू ट्रांसफर दैट सिग्नल फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस. हमें उसको एक लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस पे ले जाना है. ओके, सो ट्रांसमीटर मेक्स दिस सिग्नल वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग फॉर ट्रैवलिंग. ओके, नाउ द सिग्नल सेंड्स आउट एज अ ट्रांसमिटेड सिग्नल. ट्रांसमीटर के साइड में जो एरो है उसको देखिए. That means transmitter makes the signal strong and that signal is sends out as a transmitted signal. Okay, now students, your strong signals are sent. Again here the question arises, sir, as the strong signals are sent, how they are sent? Okay, this is one of the most important question here. If we send the signal, how signals are sent? So students, for sending the signals, there are again the several different methods. What are those methods? Let's study the first method. We can send the signals on a twin wire. आप ट्विन वायर पे भी सिग्नल भेज सकते हो. नाउ दिस मटेरियल वायर कैन गोज अप टू 100 किलोमीटर, 500 किलोमीटर एंड सो ऑन wherever I want to send the signal. Okay, this is the first method. You can put the signal, you can put the stronger signal on a twin wire, and that material wire goes to 100 kilometer, 500 kilometer, 1000 kilometer and so on, wherever you want to send it. What is the other method? The other method is to convert the signal into electromagnetic waves. What is the another method? Another method is we have to convert that signal, we are going to convert that signal into electromagnetic waves. Students, when you convert the signal into electromagnetic waves, you don't require the material wire. आपको अब material wire की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. क्यों? क्योंकि आपका जो सिग्नल था, जो साउंड सिग्नल था, उसको आपने कन्वर्ट कर दिया. किस में कन्वर्ट किया? इन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स. And how electromagnetic waves are propagated? With the help of antenna. So with the help of antenna, I will transmit that signal very easily. Okay. So student, this electromagnetic wave will have a resonance with another antenna, and there we brought it down. अब resonance क्या होता है? What is mean by resonance? When two same frequencies they match with each other, resonance takes place. ठीक है? जो फ्रीक्वेंसी ब्रॉडकास्ट हुआ है उसी फ्रीक्वेंसी से अगर उसको मैचअप किया गया तो वहाँ पे रेजोनेंस होगा. ओके, और वहाँ पे आपका सिग्नल कहाँ आएगा? योर सिग्नल विल बी ब्रॉट डाउन. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वे हियर वी स्टडीड द टू मेथड्स फॉर सेंडिंग द सिग्नल with the help of material medium. Just now I tell you that I put my signal on a twin wires and I send that material wire up to 100 km, 500 km, wherever I want to send the signal. That means the first method is I am going to send the signal with the help of material medium, and the second method is I am converting my signal into electromagnetic waves, and with the help of antenna I am going to transmit it. That means I can transfer my signal without material medium, that is I am using space medium. Okay, so student, this medium, this is known as medium. So this medium for I am taking the help, this is the medium for which I am taking the help. मैं मीडियम का एक तरह से हेल्प ले रहा हूँ. किसके लिए? फॉर सेंडिंग द सिग्नल. अभी मेरा मीडियम कौन सा होगा? या तो वायर होगा या वायरलेस होगा. वायरलेस मतलब आई एम यूजिंग स्पेस मीडियम. ओके, so this medium is nothing but the channel. Student, channel is the third block in this diagram. So what is channel? So let's talk about the channel. Channel is what? Channel is the medium. Okay, so if I send the signal on optical fiber, so my channel is what? It is fiber optic cable. Then my channel will be wire also. My channel will be wireless transmission also. Now wireless transmission, you know it very well. Bluetooth, share it, all these are what? These are the wireless devices. Okay, so student, the medium on which the signal is it is the medium on which your signal is transmitted to a very far away place, that is known as channel. What is channel? Channel is the medium on which your signal is transmitted to a very far away place, that is known as channel. Now let's see. Now your signals are gone very far away. Okay, your signals reach there. When signals reach there, I am going to receive that signal. Okay, so when I receive my signal, I again change the name of that signal, and it is nothing but the received signal. Now students, see in the diagram, after the channel block on the arrow, I am giving the name, and that name is what? It is the received signal. See, for the transmitter, you see in the diagram carefully, transmitter takes the signal from message signal and transmitter send it as a transmitted signal. Then after the channel, receiver receives it as a received signal. Okay, now how I received the signal? I received the signal through antenna of a radio. I received the signal through dish antenna. Then I received the signal through fiber optic cable which carrying the signal. Okay, so channel carries the signal. Okay, जो थर्ड ब्लॉक है हमारा चैनल, दिस चैनल कैरीज द सिग्नल एंड रिसीवर रिसीव्स इट एज अ रिसीव्ड सिग्नल. ओके, अब इसके बाद क्या करेंगे? सो व्हाट टू डू विद दैट रिसीव्ड सिग्नल? ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, अगेन दिस सिग्नल हैज टू पार्ट्स. सो मैसेज सिग्नल विच वॉज ओरिजिनली गिवन बाय इंफॉर्मेशन सोर्स. देखो, मैसेज सिग्नल जो हमें ओरिजिनली दिया था वो किसने दिया था? इंफॉर्मेशन सोर्स. So we made that signal very strong with the help of transmitter. We made that signal very strong with the help of transmitter. So student, let's talk about one analogy with this. Suppose for example, I want to go my house in Jalgaon. So I cannot walk from Pune to Jalgaon because it's a very far distance. Now I go to a person and tell him that I want to go to Jalgaon. Okay, so please set up some mechanism for me. In this way I tell him. So what the person will do? The person will prepare a setup for me. उसने क्या किया, मेरे लिए एक setup prepare किया, in which he gives me an air ticket. Now I am prepared for air travel. He gives me a seat in the flight. Okay, so who is doing this? In this case, who is doing this? Transmitter. I am the information source. I give out the message signal. Then flight, your airport authority, that complete system is nothing but it is the transmitter. Okay, so they convert me as a passenger and allows one seat for me in the flight. Okay, now student, what is here? This flight is a transmitter for me so that I can fly. I can cover a large amount of distance in a short span of time. Then let's talk, in this example, let's talk about channel. What is channel? If I am going by railway, then rail is a channel for me. If I am going by flight, then air is a channel for me. Now my flight comes to Jalgaon airport. मेरा flight अभी जलगांव airport पे आ गया. I want to go to my house in Bhusawal. Okay, so I want to go to my house in Bhusawal. Now tell me students, can I go to my house along with the flight? Answer is no. Okay, it's a very silly question, but answer is no. There has to be a system which will separate me from the flight. Okay, now I left the flight, I left the airport, everything there, and I came out. So first of all, you tell me, who receiving me, my house or airport? Answer is initially airport receives me. So in this case, who is the receiver? Airport is the receiver, because airport receives me as well as my transmitter. Who is that? What is the transmitter for me? Flight is the transmitter. Okay, so students, receiver, that means Jalgaon airport, it acts as a receiver for me. It separates me from the flight. Now I am alone and I came to my house. Okay, so students, all these are the basic parts of transmission system. Okay, देखिए, initially information source gives the message signal, and after the receiver also gives the message signal. That means at last I am alone, and user of information means I am coming to my home. Here one more thing is left out, that is noise. Okay, students, let's talk about noise. What is noise? Noise is nothing but it is a message signal, but it cannot carry any message. So I think you all are a little bit confused. Sir, what does it mean? Noise is a message signal, but it cannot carry any message. What does it mean? So student, let's see one example related with noise. In a train, in a reservation compartment, so many people are coming without reservation, or many times even without ticket also. What is this? It is nothing but the noise. So in communication, unwanted signals are coming. When you listen a song, there is a lot of noise, shoo, sha, then some more background noise is there. Okay, so student, these sounds are not recorded in your original signals. आपके original signals में ये sound नहीं होते. These sounds are not recorded in your original signal. So again here the question arises, how they came in? Students, the answer is they got mixed up with the channel stage. जो आपका channel है, channel के साथ noise mix up हो जाता है. They got mixed up in channel stage. Okay, so students, channel, transmitter, channel, receiver. तो noise कहाँ पे mix up हो रहा है? Channel के साथ वो mix up, channel के साथ आपका noise जो है वो mix up कर रहा है. Okay, so channel has a nature to pick up all the frequencies. Channel क्या करता है? Channel आपका कोई भी हो, ठीक है. अभी जनरली वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन होता है, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स में कन्वर्ट करके वेव्स को ट्रांसफर करते हैं. दैट मीन्स दे आर मूविंग through space. So channel has a nature to pick up all the frequencies. Okay, so student, here we studied all the things which are related with the communication system. Now students, in this communication system, how many blocks we studied? Information source, transmitter, then channel, receiver, and also user of information. We also see in detail about the noise. One more thing, what are the types of communication? Students, there are two types of communication, that is पॉइंट टू पॉइंट कम्युनिकेशन, उसमें फर्स्ट होता है पॉइंट टू पॉइंट कम्युनिकेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, when we talk on phone, then you are at one point, the other person is at the another point, nobody will listen you. आप एक जगह से बात कर रहे हो, एक दूसरा पर्सन है वो आपसे बात कर रहा है, तो यहाँ पे दो पॉइंट है, यू आर एट वन पॉइंट एंड द अदर पर्सन इज एट द अनदर पॉइंट, दैट इज नोन एज पॉइंट टू पॉइंट कम्युनिकेशन. nobody is going to listen you. अगर आप कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल करते हो, so that is a different parameter, but I am talking about point to point communication. When we talk on phone, telephone communication, you are at one point, the other person is at the another point, that is known as point to point communication. What is the second type? The second type is broadcasting. For example, I am speaking on a TV, then anybody who is going to tune the TV, he is able to listen me. One signal is sent by me and receivers are so many, that is public. Here one signal is sent by me and receivers are what? Receivers are so many, and student, in this case the receiver is nothing but the public. So student, this communication is known as broadcasting. देखो दो तरह के होते हैं पॉइंट टू पॉइंट कम्युनिकेशन. पॉइंट टू पॉइंट कम्युनिकेशन दैट इज इन बिटवीन टू पर्सन, एंड व्हाट इज ब्रॉडकास्टिंग? ब्रॉडकास्टिंग, व्हाट इज ब्रॉडकास्टिंग? ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मीन्स वन सेंडर एंड सो मेनी रिसीवर्स. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, जो नोट्स मैंने आपको इसमें दिए हैं आप देख लीजिए. हमने पूरा एक्सप्लेनेशन तो अभी देख लिया. ओके, इंफॉर्मेशन सोर्स. So let's see what is this information source. See information. See the second point in this. Information is a very generic word signifying at the abstract level anything intended for communication, which may include some thoughts, news, feeling, visual scene and so on. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, इंफॉर्मेशन कुछ भी हो सकता है, न्यूज़ हो सकता है, विजुअल सीन हो सकता है. इंफॉर्मेशन सोर्स कन्वर्ट दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इनटू फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. जैसे माइक्रोफोन था, माइक्रोफोन ने मेरी साउंड को कन्वर्ट किया था इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल. द फिजिकल मैनिफेस्टेशन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इज टर्म एज सिग्नल. ठीक है, सिग्नल्स के बारे में हमने बात ऑलरेडी की थी. अगली पीपीटी देखिए, ट्रांसमीटर. ट्रांसमीटर स्टूडेंट्स हमने शॉर्ट में पढ़ा. अभी ट्रांसमीटर क्या होता है? ट्रांसमीटर गिव्स द स्ट्रेंथ टू योर सिग्नल. सी, the objective of the transmitter block is to collect the incoming signal, that means message signal, and modify it in a suitable fashion. Modify मतलब उसको strong करना, such that it can be transmitted via chosen channel to the receiving point. Transmitter क्या करता है? जो सिग्नल है आपका उसको strong करेगा, उसको एक strength देगा, and it can be transmitted to the channel. Channel के बारे में भी थोड़ा सा information मैंने यहाँ पे दिया है, अगले पीपीटी में भी है. What is channel? Channel is a physical medium which connects the transmitter with that of the receiver. Channel क्या होता है? Channel is nothing but it is the physical medium. जैसे हमने देखा, channel may be a wire also, we can wire with wire also and without wire also. The physical medium includes copper wire, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, waveguide and free space or atmosphere. The choice of particular channel depends upon the feasibility and also द पर्पज़ ऑफ द कम्युनिकेशन चैनल. चैनल आप कोई भी चूज़ कर सकते हो जैसे फिजिबल हो. ठीक है, इफ़ यू आर मेनी टाइम्स, इफ़ यू आर नियर बाय, देन द चैनल विल बी अ वायर्ड चैनल, फिजिकल. लेकिन अगर लाइव मैच ब्रॉडकास्ट करना है, ओके, इफ़ द मैच इज़ हेल्ड इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड वी विल सी इट इन इंडिया, देन वेदर इट इज़ पॉसिबल फॉर वायर्ड चैनल? नो, इट कैन बी डन. कन्वर्ट दैट सिग्नल इनटू इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स एंड ब्रॉडकास्ट इट. Broadcast, again I repeat, what is mean by broadcast? One sender and many receiver. Okay, so this is about the channel. Next, see the receiver. Students, what is receiver? Receiver block receives the incoming modified version. Receiver क्या करता है? चैनल से जो सिग्नल आएगा उसको रिसीव करेगा of the message signal from the channel and process it to recreate the original signal from the message signal. Okay, so receiver can separate the signal from channel. There are great variety of receivers in communication system depending on processing required to recreate the original message signal and also the final presentation of the message to the destination. Student, set top box, आपके घर में जो set top box है, it is also one of the type of receiver. वो receiver ही है. It can receive picture signal as well as audio signals. Last one,